Pharmacobiology. Now we are going to the part number 8, the biological classification. Previously we studied about the cell wall and structure of cell wall. Now today we are going to the structure of gram positive and negative cell wall. Like that. First, gram positive cell walls. We already know about the cell wall is made up of the peptidoglycans. But according to gram positive and gram negative cell walls, presence of the additional ingredient. Okay, this ingredient only presence in the bacterial cell, not to other like the fungi, algae, plants, etc. Okay, now let's see. That's the structures of the gram positive cell wall. What is the cell wall? Gram positive cell wall. What is the major characteristics of the what are difference between the bacterial cell wall and other types of the cell walls like that? Only extra ingredient presence in the teichoic acid. Only extra ingredient presence in the teichoic acid. And second, the lipoteichoic acid. It is the other way of the teichoic acid, otherwise both are same like that. We already know about that. That's a This is a cell, internal cell, the cytoplasma, and that is the outer membrane is the cell membrane, and cell membrane is enclosed by the cell wall. That's a cell wall. Cell wall is made up of the peptidoglycan. Peptidoglycan is made up of the NAM and NAG, and uh, joined by peptides. Okay, we already discussed about that. Now next is the second thing, teichoic acid, the extra ingredient presence in the cell wall, which when NAM and NAG, that's a two polysaccharide subunit, glucose subunit, when NAM NAG is connected through the normal teichoic acid, the additional ingredient. But this teichoic acid is connected with the cell membrane to the outer part. अगर सपोज पर बात करें एग्जैक्टली कि सेल मेम्ब्रेन के इनर स्ट्रक्चर से अगर पूरे आउटर पार्ट तक जुड़ा हुआ है टिकोइक एसिड, तो अपन कहेंगे टिकोइक एसिड या लिपोटिकोइक एसिड. Otherwise, we can say that generally in simple word teichoic acid. Hope so you clear that what is the gram positive cell wall. It's a major key characteristics of the gram positive cell wall is the presence of the teichoic acid. Okay, like what is the usage of the teichoic acid? What is the basic usage of the teichoic acid? Like generation of the net negative charge, means नेगेटिव चार्ज के जनरेट करने के लिए ये हेल्प करते हैं. व्हाट आर फॉर दैट द एसेंशियल फॉर द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द proton motive force. Okay, now next, the contribute to the overall rigidity of the cell wall. Rigidity means the strong. Cell wall becomes strong due to the presence of the teichoic acid in the cell wall, which important for the maintenance of the cell wall. किसके लिए important? That's maintenance for the cell shape, and particularly rod shape bacteria. Exactly we concerned with the rod shape organism or rod shape bacteria. This types of structure, this types of rigidity performing in a rod shape organism or rod shape bacteria. Okay. नाउ नेक्स्ट, पार्टिसिपेट इन द सेल डिवीजन. सेल डिविजन्स के अंदर भी आपके ये टिकोइक एसिड हेल्प करता है. नेक्स्ट, प्ले अ रोल इन द रेसिस्टेंस. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एडवर्स कंडीशन, when the bacteria is survived in adverse condition like that, the high temperature, high salt concentration, as well as any antibiotic like that, the beta lactam antibiotics, when any bacteria shows the resistivity, or shows the adverse condition that this teichoic acid is the resistive, so resistivity and survival long after long. Okay, that's are the all our usage of the teichoic acid. Hope so that's a clear all things. Okay, otherwise you can comment in a comment box, not to digest. Okay, otherwise undigesting here. Okay, now next gram negative cell wall. फर्स्ट अपन ने बात की ग्राम पॉजिटिव सेल वॉल. व्हाट इज द ग्राम नेगेटिव सेल वॉल? व्हाट इज द बेसिक कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ ग्राम नेगेटिव सेल वॉल्स? लाइक ग्राम नेगेटिव सेल वॉल्स have a three layer, and we can see the four layer. First is the cell membrane, second is the polypeptide periplasm, third is the outer membrane, and fourth we already discussed the glycocalyx. One, two, three, four. Four layer made of. So generally, outer membrane and peptidoglycan membrane are included in a cell wall. Cell wall. Which type of ingredient presence in form of additional condition is a lipopolysaccharide. We can see that LPS, LPS, lipopolysaccharide. That means O means polysaccharide, cold polysaccharide, A the lipid. The exact molecular structures of the lipopolysaccharide. This the lipopolysaccharide form an additional layer of the cell wall presence in the outside. So we can say that outer membrane. Clear? Okay. Outer membrane of cell wall and inner membrane of cell wall is the peptidoglycan are connected through the lipoprotein. Lipoprotein मीन्स कहेंगे आउटर मेम्ब्रेन एंड पेप्टिडोग्लाइकन दोनों आपस में कनेक्टेड किसके थ्रू रहती है, तो बात करेंगे लिपो प्रोटीन के थ्रू. क्लियर? ओके. नाउ नेक्स्ट थर्ड इज द सेल मेम्ब्रेन. तो ओवरऑल वी नो दैट देयर आर थ्री मेजर मेम्ब्रेन्स which is cell membrane, cell wall and glycocalyx. But sometimes in the gram negative cell wall are differentiated and look like a two membranes. Like that, outer membrane is the made up of the lipopolysaccharide, the LPS, and inner membrane or inner part of the cell wall are made up of the peptidoglycan. So look like that two different layer of the cell wall. But generally all bacteria have a three type of the wall. There are three type of the layers like cell membrane, cell wall and outer membrane is the glycocalyx. All okay. चलिए नेक्स्ट आगे बढ़ते हैं. What are the major characteristics of the gram negative cell wall? More complex than that of the positive bacteria. Important, that is the more complex. Because of that having shows a inner extra membrane, but the gram negative bacteria haven't show. वहां पर ऐसा कुछ भी शो नहीं होता, बट यहाँ पर अपन को एक एक्स्ट्रा मेम्ब्रेन शो होती है. LPS is made up of the three different component. We see first O antigen, or you can say that O polysaccharide, the outermost part of the structure. ठीक है, LPS का outermost structure अपन कहेंगे. Second core polysaccharide and third lipid which are anchorage the LPS into the outer membrane. ये outer membranes के अंदर anchorage या वहाँ पे holding capacity को control करता है. Okay. What is the function of LPS? Look. For the cell contributing the net negative charge of the cell as like of the cell wall of the gram negative bacteria. Sorry, gram positive bacteria that help in to sterilize the outer membrane and providing protection from certain chemical substances by physically blocking access to the other part of the cell wall. Generally, we can see that we can understanding like that all are helping in the outer membrane, the providing or protection from the outer substances like that chemical substances, and physical blocking for the invaders, yeah, unwanted product for coming to the cell and outside to the cell. Okay. Next, antigen and trigger an immune response in the infected host. Lipid A the act as a toxin and especially in the endotoxin, causing the general symptom of the illness and such as fever and diarrhea. Lipid A contain lipid LPS contain lipid A, which is a toxin for the host like of the endotoxin, causing the general symptom. What is the general symptom? The illness when this bacteria are infected to any host like human, animal, plant, XYZ, etc. When this bacteria infect to host, in host, this toxin are released as like the endotoxin and cause illness such as fever and diarrhea. A large amount of A released into the bloodstream. This toxin released into the bloodstream and trigger endotoxin shock, body wide inflammatory response. Means body like that the inflammatory reaction, body सूज जाती है जब इस कंडीशंस में बनाते हैं, which can be life threatening, और ये कभी भी अपने कुछ कह सकते हैं एक्चुअली कंडीशन आ जाती है कि आपकी लाइफ प्रॉब्लम्स के अंदर आ जाती है जब ऐसे बैक्टीरिया का अटैक होता है। होप सो ये भी क्लियर हो गया होगा। बिल्कुल समझे ना क्लियर हो तो यू शुड बी कमेंट इन ए कमेंट बॉक्स। ओके, नॉट टू digest accordingly this content. Okay. इंस्टेड ऑफ एक्सो एंजाइम्स, एक्सो जिसे बात करें अपन ग्राम पॉजिटिव बैक्टीरिया के अंदर एक्सो एंजाइम्स होते थे जो स्मॉलर्स को स्मॉलेस्ट प्रोडक्ट को आपके लार्ज में सॉरी लार्ज को स्मॉलेस्ट के अंदर कन्वर्ट करने का काम करते थे। देयर टाइप्स हैव द एक्सो एंजाइम्स लाइक द ग्राम नेगेटिव बैक्टीरिया दैट आर स्टोर इन द पेरिप्लाज्मा, स्टोर इन द पेरिप्लाज्मा. Where is the periplasma? We already know about where is the periplasma. Periplasma inside the periplasma with cell membrane like, and it's a cell membrane, it's a outer membrane, that is the periplasma that's made up of the peptidoglycan. Okay, we already discussed the store periplasmic enzyme broken nutrients down to the smaller molecules, है ना। ये जो न्यूट्रिएंट्स आएंगे उनको लार्ज को स्मॉलर्स में कन्वे करेंगे, स्मॉलर्स के अंदर कन्वर्ट करेंगे, देन गेट पास टू द एलपीएस जो आसानी से वहां से आपके पास हो सकते हैं। This peptidoglycan layer are linked to the outer membrane. We already know, अपन ने कहा था इन दोनों के बीच में एक ऐसा एक लिंकिंग होता है। हाँ, the peptidoglycan layer are linked to the outer membrane by the use of the lipoprotein. That's a lipoprotein. That's a LP lipoprotein. Okay, this is known as the Brown's lipoprotein. Because of that, this the discoveries by the Dr. Brown. Okay, so all are that's we discuss the structures of the cell wall of the gram positive bacteria and gram negative bacteria. Hope so all of you clear that all things. Any problem, please should be in a comment box. Okay.